Electronics are everywhere in our modern world. From smartphones to cars, electronics play a crucial role in our daily lives. Learning about electronics may seem daunting at first, but it's easier than you might think. Today, there are abundant resources and affordable equipment available to help beginners get started. Many excellent resources cater to different learning styles. For those seeking in-depth knowledge, The Art of Electronics is a classic. However, numerous beginner-friendly guides and online tutorials provide a more gradual learning curve. These resources often use clear language and simple diagrams, making it easier to grasp the fundamental concepts. Remember, mastering electronics involves both theoretical understanding and practical application. It's essential to comprehend the principles behind circuit design, but it's equally important to get hands-on experience by building circuits. The combination of theory and practice will solidify your understanding and boost your confidence as you progress. Before diving into the world of electronics, it's crucial to gather the necessary tools and supplies. Fortunately, you don't need expensive equipment to get started. A basic set of tools and components is all you need for your first projects. One essential tool is a multimeter. A multimeter is a versatile device that measures voltage, current, and resistance. It helps you troubleshoot circuits and ensure your components are working correctly. Another vital tool is the breadboard, a solderless platform for building and testing circuits. Breadboards allow you to easily connect components using jumper wires without the need for soldering. When choosing your initial components, start with LEDs, resistors, capacitors, and transistors. LEDs are light-emitting diodes that illuminate when current passes through them. Resistors limit the flow of current in a circuit, protecting other components. Capacitors store electrical energy, and transistors act as switches or amplifiers. These fundamental components form the building blocks of countless electronic circuits. Safety should always be your top priority when working with electronics. For beginners, it's best to start with low-voltage direct current (DC) circuits. DC circuits have a constant voltage, making them safer to work with than alternating current (AC) circuits found in household outlets. Always double-check your power supply's voltage and ensure it matches your circuit's requirements. When building circuits, avoid working in wet or damp environments. Water conducts electricity and can create a dangerous path for current to flow. Keep your workspace clean and organized, and always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from stray wires or component debris. Remember, safety is paramount. Before powering on your circuit, double-check all connections. A loose connection can cause a short circuit, damaging your components or even posing a fire hazard. Once your circuit is powered on, avoid touching any bare wires or components. Even low-voltage DC circuits can deliver a surprising shock. If you need to make adjustments, always disconnect the power supply first. Section 4. Building your first circuit, a practical example. Now, let's put theory into practice by building a simple LED circuit. This classic beginner circuit demonstrates the basic principles of electronics while introducing you to essential components and tools. For this circuit, you will need an LED, a resistor, 220 ohms is a good starting point, a breadboard, jumper wires, and a 9-volt battery. Begin by connecting the positive leg of the LED to the positive rail of the breadboard. Next, connect the negative leg of the LED to one end of the resistor. Connect the other end of the resistor to the negative rail of the breadboard. Finally, connect the positive terminal of the battery to the positive rail and the negative terminal to the negative rail. When you connect the battery, the LED should illuminate. Congratulations, you've built your first circuit. This simple circuit exemplifies the flow of current through a series circuit. The resistor limits the current flowing through the LED, preventing it from burning out. Section 5. Measuring and troubleshooting with a multimeter. A multimeter is an indispensable tool for any electronics enthusiast. It allows you to measure voltage, current, and resistance, helping you troubleshoot circuits and verify component values. Before using a multimeter, always double-check its settings. Using the wrong setting can damage the meter or give inaccurate readings. To measure voltage, set the multimeter to the appropriate voltage range, either DC or AC, and connect the probes in parallel with the component or circuit you want to measure. To measure current, set the multimeter to the appropriate current range and connect the probes in series with the circuit. Remember to break the circuit and insert the multimeter in line with the current path. To measure resistance, set the multimeter to the resistance setting and connect the probes across the component you want to measure. ensure the component is not powered when measuring resistance. Mastering the multimeter is crucial for any electronics hobbyist. It provides valuable insights into your circuits and helps you identify and resolve issues effectively. By following these guidelines and practicing regularly, you'll become proficient in using this essential tool.